Hello and welcome back to one of my videos. In this video, I'm going to show you a quick glimpse at how I would paint a banana. I love painting with watercolours and I really want to help people like you who want to learn how to do all these techniques, and with practice, you will get there. If you've been struggling to get the look that you want, you might find that following tutorials is a really good way to help you, and so you can see where you might be going wrong, things that you can pick up and learn new techniques and practice and practice and practice until your watercolours start to look the way you want them to look. I create full tutorials online which are hosted on Teachable, and these are designed to walk you through everything that you need to know to start creating really lovely watercolour paintings. Now I'm offering this banana tutorial completely free. The full length video, now you're seeing a shortened version here, but the full length video is available now over on my new Teachable school. So if you click the link in the description, you'll be able to sit down 20 minutes and work your way through this full length tutorial, and it will teach you how to paint a banana just using two colours, and it is packed full of tips and tricks and techniques. So why not give it a go? Hit the subscribe and the like button to help me out as a new channel and so that you get to see upcoming videos.